little learners, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to have fun with the letter A. Are you excited, kids? Let's go. A is for ant.
A is for ant.
A is for abacus.
A is for abacus.
A is for ant eater.
A is for ant eater.
A is for arrow.
A is for arrow.
A is for avocado.
A is for avocado.
A is for aquarium.
A is for aquarium.
A is for accordion.
A is for accordion.
A is for alphabet.
A is for alphabet.
A is for apple.
A is for apple.
A is for artichoke.
A is for artichoke.
A is for ambulance.
A is for ambulance.
A is for axe.
A is for X.
A is for angry.
A is for angry.
A is for afraid.
A is for afraid.
A is for acorn.
A is for acorn.
A is for ace.
A is for ace.
Wow, that was amazing, kids. We learned lots of words that start with A. What was your favorite A word? Awesome. Great choice, kids. Thanks for learning with us at Mom and Me Fun Factory. If you had fun, don't forget to subscribe and join us again. Bye bye.
Bye bye, friends.